Hey guys, it's Lexi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like the video, turn on post notification bell on. Today I'm doing things really fun. So I have a balloon filled with a whole bunch of water, as you can see. Then I have sellotape. I'm not sure if you will be able to see. Let me quickly turn you guys around. Can you see it?
Hi guys, Gracie. I'm up on my channel.
What'd you say? I'm really sorry if you can't see the tape. Because like right here, where I'm pointing, right in the middle, we're going to get a really sharp pencil and like hit it so hard. Then it's going to be like flying so good. So before I do this, make sure you subscribe. Well, if you think this is going to work, make sure you like. But if you don't think it's going to work, subscribe. Because I don't think it's going to work with this, like, it's not really sharp. So I'm just going to, like, hit it right in the center right there. No, wait, there. Can you see? There. That's where the square is. Right, now I'm going to put you guys somewhere. Gracie, can you hold that like that? No, this.
I'm gonna spill it.
No, just like that. She said she was going to spill it. Like, yeah, like that.
I'm spilling it.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys can see. And please say you don't get wet. So, right. I'm going to get all this area. I want to burst already.
Oh,
So I'm going to do it right there. Ready? I'm scared. No! Did you see it? Look at it. There's a water fountain.
Lightning.
No, it's popped. I was going to say we can do another experiment like that. Wait, let me see if that's popped or something. Yeah, it's popped. Oh, no. So, hopefully you guys saw that. And I'm going to be doing another experiment because, you know, like, yeah, I'm fabulous. Sorry if there's a lot of noise in the house. What I'm going to do, this is really dirty balloon. I found it on the floor. I'm going to wash my hands after because I don't like want the thingy. Oh no, Gracie fell over. Go. Oh, there you go. So, let's go. Look how much water we've done, like, so many. We're going to clean the balloon, then we're going to do an experiment with the balloon. Yeah, I know. So I'm going to clean the balloon. It's dirty.
Ew, disgusting.
Oh, Gracie. So put it under the cold tap. Oh.
It's gonna pop.
Hopefully it won't. Oh my god, it's going to pop. Oh, it's everywhere. It's going to go everywhere. It's popped.
It's gonna pop in a minute.
It's not the biggest balloon I can ever do. It's just to experiment. So, oh man, it's going to go everywhere. Sorry you guys get wet. Right, Gracie, can you open the door, please?
Okay, that's bad.
Quick. We're going to put you guys on the floor. Right there. Hopefully you guys don't get wet. Ready? Go get a pencil, it's over there. Or go get a new one. Quick. It's so tiny, I know. Look. Yee. Quick, she's not coming. And it's already exploding on my hands. Because there's a hole in it. Quick, run. Quick. Here she is. Right, Gracie, stand there.
Okay.
No.
You get me.
Oh, turn around. I got it wrong. My masterpiece, baby.
Oh, Tita.
Oh, experiment. Let's go.
Let's go. There's another balloon.
Yeah, I'm going to do another experiment. Can you shut the door?
Woo-hoo.
Hopefully this balloon, come here, hopefully this balloon will work.
Got noodles or pasta?
So we have this balloon. So let's put it under the cup.
Hot cup. Cold. So,
Will it work? Yes, it's not working. I don't know what's wrong with this. Ah, yeah. It's gonna work.
hurry up.
I'm just gonna do the normal way. You know, just like.
So,
Hopefully it's working. Yeah, it's not working because there's a hole in there. Sadly. But I'm wet now. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, subscribe and say which experiment was the best. Goodbye. Say bye, Gracie.
Bye-bye.
And I'll see y'all in a bit.
This is not what